She the one that always wants to eat by herself?
No, that's Tilly, isn't it?
Or Tilly or Champagne?
Tilly's the one who eats by herself. Champagne is the one with the earring.
Okay.
Yeah, Champagne have earring.
Yes, she does.
That's his baby dog, right?
That's Dr.
And today he's 6 months old.
That's very naughty. Bad mind.
Because he just was not the one yesterday.
Yeah.
She got spoiled by next door.
Exactly, and so she was really trying to break into the kitchen yesterday.
always.
She got stuck. She was like, oh.
You know who is her role model? Pasai.
Hello.
Be careful your water bottle, your camera, your phone, especially Apple iPhone.
Oh, she likes that especially.
They eat Apple. We have no food.
Hello.
Be careful. Be careful your back.
Yeah. There's nothing. It won't come
Be
off.
careful your head, huh? Yeah.
Look at it. Oh my
Grab
goodness.
that one right there. Not a good trial.
They'll figure it out, won't they?
Ah, good job.
Oh, mom moved like a monkey. Look at that.
Oh, he's way out there.
ระวังเนอะ
I love hearing the crunch.
I look boing, 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 boing. Yeah.
Okay, you can go stand over there because he's
Sure.
following.
It's like popcorn. I think of them were like om.
Look at the baby.
So cute.
He's so sweet. Something good. Oops.
My foot.
Đây. Đưa lên. Đơm mát. Se puede.
Look.
Not that high, that's high.
ประมาณ
She will, but not as crazy.
so long. That's the landmark injury leg. Both of them legs.
And this is the nanny?
Three of them is a nanny of baby Navan. So three of them. Oh, dog with us. Be careful, huh? The dog is the most fun toys for him.
Okay.
Yeah, sit back a little bit.
The dog what?
The most fun toys for him.
Oh, we like the baby
Navan,
dog.
so smart. When he's silent, he's just like, I'm okay. No teeth.
Yeah.
I'm not sure I tell you before or not. Like volunteer has to make soft food for them every day.
Yeah.
So many times when volunteer come to feed his nanny will pretend they eat one, drop one, eat one, drop one. They drop for him.
No.
So three of them do like this. So they spoil him so much.
baby.
So that's why he's very fat. His picture. Guys, step back please. Yeah.